Hello, I'm going to show you how to change that ugly light fixture, you know, those cheap light fixture, that and then go change it to LED light instead. I think this is about 60 bucks, yeah, and that's about 20 bucks, but the quality is a lot better, LED. And this one's, the brightness is 3000. Yeah. Okay. Everything you need to change is here. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. And there we go. Get it out of that box. Everything you need should be in here. The first thing you need to do, basically, all you need to do is just connect 3 wires. That's it. Basically, you got your ground, you got your neutral, and you got your positive wire right here, your power wire. Okay? The white is neutral. What you want to do is unscrew that, 3 bolt off before installation. Okay, because you can't install it with putting it on. That lay off. Take this. These are glass. And then you got your LED. And that's why you remove that, because you'll put the screw in here. Okay? Make sure you turn the power off, okay? It's easy. Remove this one bolt. Just not too much. Twist it off. Hold on. Put this down first. Okay. Phillips screwdriver. Usually there's an electrical box here, and there's no electrical box, so I'm going to remove it and install the electrical box also. Funny, they do have a junction box, but it's all the way over here. What's the purpose of it? When they put the drywall up, they got the junction box over here. What the heck? I see it. Junction box. Okay, you got your junction box installed. You got your 2 screws right here. Put those 2 screws at the junction box. Alright, at the corner of each junction box. Right here. It should fit it. Don't tighten it. Now you got your connector, all 3 connector. That's why I told you don't tighten that yet. And then your 2 screws should go in these 2 holes. See, they got 2 close one and 2 forward one, depending on the size of your junction box. All right, fit all 3 or both sides, both tight. So you want to connect the ground, the neutral, and the power. Let's connect the neutral first. There you go. Now it's not going to fall. See it? Let's connect the ground. Power. tuck in your wire. Find your screw. There you go. All you need to do now is tighten up your screw. No. See how tight? No go fit this is. Real tight. That's basically it. Now all we go do is put this on right here. Put your glass on. Got 3 screws. Put 1 screw in at a time to hold it. No. Let's turn on let's go turn on the breaker. Alright, you will see how nice it looks now. Okay, now let's check the light, okay? That was easy, right? Anybody can do it. You can update your light fixture. Very simple. And I just showed you there was no junction box right there. There was a junction box, but it's all the way over here. Whoever did that ceiling screwed up. Okay? So they got the light all the way over there. And that's because there's no ways. I don't know what they were doing. I can't explain it. Okay? So, but plainly, it's easy. I installed a new junction box. It's nice and steady, you know. And like I say, anybody can do it. If you like my video, please subscribe. Appreciate it. Thank you.